So as I had told you earlier that I'll guide you on how you can apply for inter-university transfer. So now we can proceed. So you search for KUCCPS Portal, then click on student login. Then you will need to insert your KCPE and KCSE index number respectively, then the year. So you can see this student has been placed to Kisii University to pursue Bachelor of Pharmacy. Now, I want to show you on how you can proceed to request for transfer. So, for example, let me see the programs the university is offering this program. So I'm going to look for medicine and related cluster. I'm looking for medicine and related cluster. So these are degree programs. You can see it is here, cluster 13. So I'm going to select pharmacy. Yes, then these are the institutions which offer the said program. And you can see the first one is Jomo Kenyatta, Kabarak, Kenya Methodist, Kenyatta University, Kisii, Maseno, Mount Kenya, and also University of Nairobi. So I'm going to proceed with the first one. So you copy this program code, write it somewhere because you will use in the other hand. So when you've copied, now come back and click on transfer application. Then you can see here we have these two tabs. The first one is application instructions. So you need to log in to your students portal the way we did. Then click on transfer application. Then enter the code of the institution, the code I've told you to copy. Select the reason you wish, the reason for your transfer. Then attach a relevant document which supports your reason. Maybe if it is HELB program, maybe you can upload recommendation from the doctor or etc. Then proceed to payment, then you submit. So payment you pay through eCitizen, and I will show you where to pay. So please follow the video closely. So this is the paybill for eCitizen 22222. Then you enter your eCitizen unique code, which will be displayed in our video when we proceed to apply. So now I'm going to click on transfer application, and this is how the process begins. So you can see the first the current placement is here. Transfer application details. Okay, so you need to click on the transfer program. So you enter the code which you copied earlier. Then it will validate whether you will meet the cluster points. Oh, you see this one is the cluster weights for this university is higher compared to ours. So we are coming back to see university where we meet the cluster points. You can see the cluster points for this student is 43.7, and you can see this university minimum cluster weights is 44.6. So you can select another one. I'm going to select number 2, that is Kabarak. So you write the code I've noted somewhere. Now we are going back to proceed. So click on transfer application. Then program code, we place our new code. Then it will validate. Now you see you meet all requirements, you can proceed. Then part 2 is the reasons. I'm going to select financial reasons because depending on your reason you just select. So This is brief description of my reason. Then I'm going to choose a file to support my reason so that I will be granted chance to transfer. So to upload this file, you need to click choose file. So let me select this document here, supporting document. Click open, then continue. Okay, then you are done with that. Now we are going to proceed to make our payments and we submit our application. So to obtain the payment details, so you can see we need to pay 1,000. So you click on make transfer payment. Now, so this is the reference code. The reference code you need to pay. Then you pay total of 1050. So to pay direct where they will send a push notification, you click on M-Pesa, then you insert the number you want to pay with. Then initiate payment. So if you don't want that method, you can still enter through M-Pesa paybill that, then account number is your eCitizen reference code. Then once you're done, click on the eCitizen code you verify there. Then you can see payment not found because I have not paid. So it will detect payment as soon as you pay. Then you will see submit button, then you submit. So that is how simple it is. Please make sure to like the video, you will be supporting us. Then share to your friends.